Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the F124 black screen problem. Let's fix it guys. The solution consists of 5 steps. First step is to update a graphics card. To do this, you just need to open up GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then you just need to check my video description for the download link. For empty users, you just need to open the empty software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After doing it, go to home. In this list, you just need to find F124 and select the details. Click on the spanner icon. Click on the drop down in resolution and select the recommended resolution and display mode, select the recommended one. And you just need to click on this pointer to performance and select apply to save changes and save it guys. After saving it, go back and just to close stuff here. The second step is to add a launch option and verify game files. To do this, you just need to open up Steam, right click on the F124 and select properties. Now you just need to check my video description for this launch option used in my video, just to copy and paste it. After pasting it, click on outside to save it. Now go to installed files and select verify integrity of game files. After getting verified done, just to close stuff here. The third step is to adjust in-game settings. Lower graphics settings or disable certain features might help. To do this, you just need to open up a game and you just need to lower the resolution and turn off VSync and lower the graphics quality settings. After doing it, let's move on to the fourth step guys. Fourth step is to disable overlays. Disable any in-game overlays such as Steam, Discord, Nvidia, GeForce Experience, as they are sometimes cause issues. After disabling it, let's move on to the fifth step guys. The fifth step is to update DirectX and Visual C++ and check for Windows Update. To do this, you just need to check my video description for the link used in my video. DirectX, scroll down, select the language and select the download option and download it. And another link, Microsoft Visual C++. Scroll down. If you are using 64-bit, then you just need to click on this link and download it. If you are using 32-bit operating system, then you just need to click on this link and download it. After getting download done, you just need to install these both. And after getting installed done, go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After getting you are up to date, just to close stuff here. After doing these 5 steps, you just need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you just need to open up GeForce Experience. In here, you just need to find the F124 and select the launch option and check if the problem solved or not. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.